Hey there! Welcome to beautiful Istanbul. Today we're exploring the rich history and stunning architecture of this incredible city. What are the top 9 best palaces in Istanbul, Turkey? These palaces and pavilions display the greatness and history of the Ottoman Empire. Join me as we take a look at these charming, iconic landmarks, each with its own unique story to tell. So let's get started. Number 1 is Topkapı Palace, the most iconic and historically significant palace in Istanbul. It was the primary residence of the Ottoman sultans for over 400 years and is now a museum. The palace offers breathtaking views of the Bosphorus and houses priceless artifacts, including the Prophet Muhammad's relics and the famous Topkapı dagger. Number 2 is Dolmabahce Palace, a symbol of the Ottoman Empire's modernization. Dolmabahce Palace is known for its luxurious European-style architecture and the greatness. Located in the Beşiktaş district of Istanbul, the palace features stunning crystal chandeliers, gold decorations, and the largest palace on the Bosphorus. Ataturk spent the last days of his medical treatment in this palace, where he died on November 10, 1938. The third one in this list is Beylerbeyi Palace, located on the Asian side of Istanbul. This summer palace is known for its beautiful gardens and mix of traditional Ottoman and Western architecture. It is now situated exactly north of the Bosphorus Bridge, so this provides an amazing Bosphorus-facing spot for the visitors. This palace also offers a more intimate and less crowded experience compared to the larger palaces. Number 4 is Yildiz Palace. A lesser-known but historically significant palace, Yildiz Palace served as the administrative center of the Ottoman Empire in the late 19th century, located now in Beşiktaş district of Istanbul. Its extensive gardens and pavilions offer a serene escape from the city's hustle. Yildiz Palace reopened again recently after 6 years of restoration. Number 5 is Kucuksu Palace. This small yet elegant pavilion on the Asian side of Istanbul was used by sultans as a hunting lodge and a summer palace. Its charming architecture and riverside location make it a peaceful retreat with an amazing viewpoint of the Bosphorus. This palace was appeared in the James Bond film named as The World Is Not Enough. Number 6 of this list is Ihlamur Pavilion, a lesser visited gem. The Ihlamur Pavilion was a private retreat for Ottoman sultans. It is surrounded by a lovely garden, making it a peaceful spot in the middle of the city. The magnolia trees in the garden of Ihlamur Pavilion offer history and nature lovers a whole different Istanbul with their fantastic views. Number 7 is Maslak Pavilion, another lesser-known site. The Maslak Pavilion was built as a hunting lodge for Sultan Abdulaziz. It is surrounded by a lush forest and is less crowded than other palaces. Maslak Palace is considered one of the most magnificent structures built by the Ottomans throughout history. It was opened as a museum in 1986. The palace is surrounded by a large and beautiful garden filled with various types of flowers and roses. Number 8 is Beykoz Palace, also known as Meçhidiye Beykoz Pavilion. Located in Beykoz, this pavilion is known for its stunning location overlooking the Bosphorus and its beautifully landscaped gardens. It was used as a hunting lodge and for hosting important guests. The building is older than the 19th century Ottoman palaces like Dolmabahce and Beylerbeyi. It is in fact the first modern-style imperial stone structure that was built next to the Bosphorus. Number 9 and the last of this list is Aynalikavak Palace, a smaller palace that is often overlooked next to the Golden Horn in Beyoğlu district. Aynalikavak Palace offers a glimpse into the life of the Ottoman elite. It is renowned for its beautiful mirrors and gardens, making it a hidden gem in Istanbul. And here our tour of the top palaces in Istanbul is end. I hope you enjoyed exploring these incredible pieces of history with me. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more walking tours and historical insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.